From Sooner Standards, Weighing the Trade-Offs of Everyday Computing Technologies, a complete Grade 7 Computer Science Unit for Oklahoma Standard 7.IC.CU.01. Students learn to describe the trade-offs of everyday technologies like social media and ride-sharing apps and explain their effects on economies and society. Inside a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart of technology trade-offs, a CS careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric. Plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 Daltons of no prep, HQIM aligned instruction across 34 ready to print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.